10 times worse for hitting it big? How could that have possibly happened? Welcome to today's Lotto Lecture. Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at 5,000 a week for life. Picture to the right, you can see what the ticket looks like. Normally, it wouldn't be scratched, but I forgot to take the picture before I scratched it, so sorry about that. I got a little too excited. But here's some quick things we should look at. The top prize is going to be worth $3.8 million or $260,000 every year for life. The ticket price is going to be $10, and the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.30. And it was launched on July 1st, 2025. Next, we'll take a look at the odds of each prize at launch so we can compare them to how they are now. At launch, you can see the prize amount to the left, the odds in the middle, and the number of prizes on the right. What we're going to be looking at today is our top prize, and then every prize you can expect to see in a book, so 1 in 60 down. So the $30 prize, $25, $20, $15, and $10 prizes. Next, we'll look at the adjusted top prize odds for November 10th, 2025. Picture to the right, you can see what prizes we currently have left. 2 is how many our top prizes are left in the game. The formula we're going to be using is the number of top prizes remaining over the number of winning tickets left times their overall odds. So for this ticket, it's going to be 2, and then add up all the numbers you see here and multiply that by 3.3. Simplify that over here. Simplify it further, and that ends us up with 1 in 6.2 million. And then since the original odds were 1 in 5.4 million, the number one factor in seeing whether a ticket is more likely to win or less likely to win is actually when its most recent top prizes were claimed. For this ticket, it first had a top prize claim the following day after it released, and again recently on October 2nd, 2025. This has led to it being 12% less likely to win a top prize than it was when it launched. The first one was bought in a marathon at 2741 South State Road 7 in Wellington, and the second one was bought in Circle T Food Store at 522 Northeast 3rd Avenue, Fort Lauderdale. At first, I thought this was a typo. It was supposed to be Circle K, but no, it's Circle T. Whatever that is. So how does this stack up with our previous tickets? Well, it's important to calculate the chances per dollar since not every ticket costs the same. $300 is divisible by all ticket prices, so we're going to assume that this will be our budget. We'll compare this with our current top chance ticket. So the formula we're going to be using is going to be one top prize times our $300 budget divided by the cost of the ticket for every X tickets. For 1,000 a week for life, that's going to be 150 over 3.6 million, which gives us 1 in 24,000 for every $300 we spend. And for 5,000 a week for life, it's going to be 30 over 6.2 million, which is going to give us 1 in 206,000 for every $300 spent. That makes this ticket nearly 10 times worse for hitting it big than the lower version of the ticket. This is the $2 version. This is the $10 version. This sucks. But the top prize isn't everything. Maybe its expected value per book can save it. Picture to the right, you'll see all the prizes we can expect to find in the average book. And the formula we're going to be using is the prize amount times the number of prizes in the book for each prize bracket over the book cost. So for this ticket, it's going to be 30 plus 25 plus 80 plus 60 plus 60 over 600, which is going to give us 255 over 600 for a 43% return. Books of $10 tickets contain 60 tickets, and 43% return represents how much money we'd expect to win back on the average book. This return rate is pretty poor, but it's not the worst we've seen yet. And the odds of a top prize being in any one particular book are going to be 1 in 100,458. So to summarize for November 10th, 2025, the odds to win a top prize on any one ticket are going to be 1 in 6.2 million, and the adjusted odds for a $300 budget are going to be 1 in 206,000. Your expected return when buying a book is going to be 43%, and while the odds are terrible, for $10, its top prize is uniquely large, but its return rate is also pretty low. So at the bottom here, you'll see the Florida Lottery tier list I'm slowly building, where I take each game I cover and I put it on it. For this game, I decided to put it in our 6th out of 7th slot. Its odds are pretty considerably bad, and its book return does not make up for it. It's higher than normal. Top prize doesn't really make it up for me in my eyes, and it's currently worse to buy right now than it was when it first came out. And now we're going to scratch one just for fun. We've been doing good on tickets lately. Still doing very good, profit-wise. Let's see something today. Hey, there we go. We already got something. I've had better luck since I started this channel than when I didn't have this channel. Oh, there's another one. Alright, what have we got? 10 and 10. We got 20 bucks. How are we doing on the tickets since we started this channel? Well, to the left, I've kept a balance sheet of every ticket I've bought and what we've won and how we're doing because of that. So for right now, we're actually up $140 because I keep getting lucky on basically all the high dollar tickets. So I'm pretty happy about that. Thank you guys for watching today's Lotto lecture. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lecture on 2,500 a week for life. It's the last ticket from this cycle we're going to cover. And be sure to comment below which ticket you want me to take a look at next. Play smarter, play responsibly, know the odds, and I'll see you tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. EST.